So we're in the waiting room here before we go into the bunny suit area where we're gonna put on a bunny suit basically and be in the clean room. But we had the ability to actually see a lot of the sites right here, and we have somebody very important right here that I wanted to introduce. Well, I'll have you introduce yourself, your role here,
All right.
and then we'll go from there.
All right. Thank you. So my name is Suresh. I am the general manager of the Malaysia Design Center, which is part of the overall design ecosystem that we have. I think you heard this morning we have 15,000 employees at Intel Malaysia. 6,000 of those are in design and development.
Yeah.
And so we're here to showcase the work that we do with the Malaysian engineers do for Intel's design work. So that's what the booths are behind you, right?
Yep.
We've got booths set up. You saw the lab this morning. We
The
were
lab
able
was
to
amazing. I loved
invite
it.
both of you. Thank you, thank you. I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, I specifically like the PC water cooling aspect of it.
Right,
That's me.
right.
So we're here in Malaysia for the Intel Technology Tour. So what is the goal behind the Intel Technology Tour?
Yeah, I think it's like, there's a lot of work that we do and innovation that we do that people are not completely aware of in-house. And we wanted to give a glimpse, open up a window into the work that we do. And besides that, also showcase what our people do inside and share that with the world, right?
Yeah.
Plus, I think some of the product launches are on the way, so we wanted to kind of give a glimpse to the people like you, right?
New products? Really? Really? Yeah, yeah. Looking
There's
forward
always
to it.
new products on
There's
the way,
always
right?
something
That's
new.
like, we
No
always work-
spoilers.
we
There's always
always
something
work-
new.
We're always working on the future, right?
All right. Well, we're having a blast here. The first tour that we had, there were highly skilled individuals that just knew their stuff, like clockwork.
Yep.
It was amazing to see all the hardware, the testing, and some of the testing that even reviewers like myself finally end up doing. Like we don't have like a lot of the high-end stuff that you guys have, but eventually when it comes to the point of like, okay, this is ready for somebody's desk, then that's the testing that we get to see and do at home and show our viewers. So I may have to ask you, like, can I get that Ubuntu Linux version that you guys test on? So, yeah.
By the way, great questions today.
Oh, thank you.
It was really nice to have all of you inside and asking those questions and watching our engineers answer
Oh,
real time. I thought it was magic.
Yeah, it was great. So yeah, we got to ask questions with people that have spent years of their lives developing these things that are finally going to be on your desk, and you're able to play video games and word processing and all that good stuff.
Yep.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so
Really
much.
appreciate it. Yes.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Oh yeah, we're having fun. More to come. More to come.
Yep.